Om Suhrude Namaha.
Suhruda. Hrit. Hrit means hrit. Hrit. Heart. Heart. See, hrit and heart so close. Good heart. Good heart means one who is the friend of all. So we may be friend of some. Being friend of some is okay. But to be friend of all, you have to be Vishwamitra. Vishwamitra? Vishwasya Mitra. Friend of the universe. Because the Vishwa is he himself. One who is established in the self, he sees himself in all. How you love all your limbs. Which limb you are ready to sacrifice? Which limb? How often do you use pinky? Only on the marriage date, I think. South Indians only, I think. No? Only Southeast. But they never use that little finger. That's with the little finger only they touch, hold the wife. Not wife over already or not yet become? During become only pinky. Pinky means what? Katif. From the beginning of the marriage. Katif. They go around holding with the pinky. Both of us are katif from now onwards. I don't know what the meaning and all, but don't give this meaning. So, would you be ready to sacrifice your pinky? No. Even if somebody is ready to give you 1 billion, just give me your pinky. 1 billion. Even I will not give. Because I may need a billion, but I will not give my pinky. My pinky is more valuable. If you give 1916 billion, I may consider. First you give and encashed everything, legally encashed. Not 500 rupees and 1,000 rupees. That is to be available for people. Oh, those are available. Not that. Those are become a monopoly game they are starting with those currency. So we are not ready to. So each of us are like his limb. So when you are with him, he knows he will take care of you. He will help you at all cost. Whatever you might have done, immaterial. That's called real friend, who is always there for you. I like this song so much, one song where I heard the background of the lyrics. The author, the poet who wrote, is a Urdu poet. He wrote the song for his guru. And generally all the philosopher poets are not very financially sound. Look at me. What look at you, Swamiji? You look very luxurious and all. That is because of Chinmaya Mission. Isn't it? I have no bank account. Whatever you give me, it all goes to. So, because of Chinmaya Mission, I look rich. Chinmaya Mission means you. It's all your fault, not my fault. So, but this disciple was not doing well financially, and Guru knows also. But this disciple is not worried about the financial. He is not expecting any financial benefits. So, this song he wrote, the movie people wanted it, cinema people. When movie people want your song, they will pay for you, isn't it? Substantial also. So the movie people asked him, can you please sell this song? We like it so much, we want your song. He said, no, I wrote this song for my guru. I can't sell it. It's not for sale. They pleaded this. He said, no, I can't sell it. It's for my guru. Then they approached the source. Who? Guru himself. And they told him, your disciple, he is not doing well financially. Bikari. So why don't you tell him, because we want to buy this song, so he'll be financially sound. So Guru also knows. So Guru thought, my disciples, when they write something, nobody reads. Here one disciple, they want to buy it. So he tells the disciple, anyway you gave it to me, so I accepted it, now you sell it. So that's how it came into the movie. That song called, by the time some of you have already heard from me, after hearing this background story, I am so thrilled to listen to it again and again. आपकी नजरों में, आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे. How many of you know this song? Even Southees know it. Good. Okay, I'm going to play one line of this. आपकी प्यार, your प्यार नजरों, your loving, graceful eyes found me and found me deserving your love. It's a beautiful song. I'll just play one line. Can you hear? Isn't it amazing song? Which movie? You have seen this movie? After hearing this story only, I saw the movie. Movie is not that great, but this only song is good. This only song. No other thing is that great. It's beautiful. This is called Suhrude Namah. He wrote for his Guru. So now when you listen to this song in the movie, you can all turn off you put only what you call the lyrics. Need not put the hero, heroine and all doing. That's also not that bad, but still. So lyrics, if you see, by seeing the lyrics, you can imagine. As in the olden days, songs have double meaning. Double meaning means one divine and one duet. Divine and duet. It's a divine duet. So, Suhrude Namaha, well-wisher, a friend of all, so Vishwamitra, friend of the whole universe.
Om Suhrude Namaha.